Hello everybody, it's Margaret from Silesian Quilt. I have a new little baby. It's simply 16 and I want to show you how I will be to use first time in my home. Sorry for my mess behind me, but you know, the quilting is first and the clean is after. So it's my first time, and I show you how I will be to use. I will be to use 10 stitch per inch, and my speed is 75. And I draw several lines because my table for the rulers is lost, so I need to wait for the second package. So I draw the line and I will be make feathers. So let's get started.
Oh, Shenandoah, I love your daughter. Way, you rolling river, I like you down. Rolling water, away, I'm bound away, across the wide Missouri. The cheap design, the trader's dollars, way. You rolling river, my daughter, you shall never follow away. We're bound away, across the wide Missouri. For 7 years, I courted Sally, way, hey, you rolling river, for 7 more. I long to have her away. We're bound away, across the wide Missouri. She said she would not be my lover away. You rolling river, because I was a terror sailor away. We're bound away, across the wide Missouri. At least the Cape, a Yankee skipper, way, you rolling river, he winked his eye, he tipped his flipper.
The background of my little wall hanging has dots, so I will be try pebbles.
Oh, Shenandoah, I love your daughter. Way, you rolling river, I like you down. Rolling water, away, I'm bound away, across the wide Missouri. The cheap design, the trader's dollars, way. You rolling river, my daughter, you shall never follow away. We're bound away, across the wide Missouri. For 7 years, I courted Sally, way, hey, you rolling river, for 7 more. I long to have her away. We're bound away, across the wide Missouri. She said she would not be my lover away. You rolling river, because I was a terror sailor away. We're bound away, Cape, a Yankee skipper, way